Hello everybody and welcome back to Crazy Country Couponer, and I'm Jenny the Crazy Country Couponer, coming to you with a really quick deal because I gotta work today and you want to know. So come on in and like and share the video on your way in. Do all that good stuff and do it now. That way you don't forget. Like leave that 3-word comment, like and share the video, thumbs up, thumbs down. And of course, now we're going to watch the video or let it play in its entirety and watch those ads or let them play for me, please. Thank you very much. Love you bunches and happy Sunday, everybody. Don't forget to say your thank yous. Yes, don't forget to be grateful today. I mean, that's the only day of the week that, we're busy. But we can stop for a little bit, one day a week, to be grateful to the universe. Okay? That loves us so much. Alright, everybody. Welcome if you're new. Yeah, if you're new, look below. Hit that subscription button and that notification bell so you don't miss any of our visits. Yes, or our deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, awesome information, field trips, and good vibes. You don't want to miss any of that. Oh, yes, I had a good night's sleep last night. I'm a-rolling this morning, guys. But I'm also in a hurry because I got sidetracked this morning, but I seen this deal, and you need to know. So let's talk about what's going on. You got a PG coupon. We got to spend $40 on the PG products again. All right. Now, all of these are attaching to the Mr. Clean Gain Scented $6 Mr. Clean bottles, okay? This one right here. Now, this is not attaching to, at my store, the $4.25 Mr. Clean bottles. Scan, if it's attaching at your store, then you still need to spend $10 of Gain products. So you can pick this up, and then you can pick up a small space Febreze Gain Scented. Okay? And that's going to give you what you need to reach the $10 threshold that we just got on some new Gain coupons. We got a variety of Gain coupons this time, and we have a 3 off of 10 Gain coupon. Alright, and we got a couple of things that we can, get some almost free stuff on. And this Mr. Clean and this Febreze deal is one of them, okay? Because, guys, if you still have that $4 Mr. Clean in your store, Gain Scented, not the $4.25 tall bottle, the short squat bottle, this $6 coupon is attaching to that, okay? It's not attaching to the tall, skinny Gain, at least not in my store, $4.25 one. But it is attaching to the $6 bottle of Gain Mr. Clean. So we're going to pick up, we got 2 different deals. First deal, for those of you who don't have that $4 bottle, okay, we are going to pick up the $6 bottles of Mr. Gain. We're going to, Mr. Gain, Mr. Clean Gain Scented. Alright, what happens when you get in a hurry? Mr. Clean Gain Scented. That's $12. You're over your threshold you need for your Gain coupon when you spend $10. And you're going to get $6 off, $3 off. That means $3 out of pocket for 2 of these Mr. Cleans. $1.50 each. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, almost free. Yes, shelves will be cleared of this, guys. It'll be gone. So this is a run deal. Get your shoes on. Go get this, if nothing else, this morning. This is a run deal. Now, next up, you want some absolutely free Gain product, okay? Yes, we can get some absolutely free. Because if they have the $4 Gain Scented short squat bottles, or if that $4.25 bottle attaches at your store, scan, you can get these items absolutely free. You're going to pick up 2 of the $4 bottles of Mr. Clean. And you're going to get that $6 off, or the $4.25 bottles. If you can find them, you're going to get that $6 off. And then you're going to get $3.25 added when you get that Febreze small spaces. That's going to bring you to $11.25, okay? That's your total, $11.25. All you need is 10. And coming off of that, guys, is going to be 6 off of 2, $2.30 off of the Febreze small spaces, and $3 off your Gain purchase. Because remember, all this has to be Gain scented, guys, because we're using that store coupon for Gain. And coming off is going to be 5 cents in overage, alright? So that'll go towards your taxes on this. Overage does apply towards taxes. That's if you're in an older operating system store, okay? You'll have 5 cents in overage. If you're in a newer operating system store, these items, well, they'll be a penny. Winner, chicken dinner. And that's only because, you know, family, or, boy, I'm full of mouth mistakes this morning. That's because Dollar General doesn't give you anything for absolutely free. But it's close enough for me. And hopefully you too. So there you go, guys. I'm going to slap the math up here. And by the way, hi, Arlene. Yeah, we're going to start making shout-outs to the crazy friends that I see randomly on here on a regular basis. Yes, because I do give you a little heart. Sometimes I have time to say hi. But you know what? I'm on here anyway. I might as well give a shout-out. So, hello, Arlene. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you bunches. And all of you, too. Okay? I'll be shouting out all of you before it's over with. Thank you very much. Make sure you do all those things for me. Because I love doing all this for you. And I'll see you again real soon. Because we got all kinds of coupons to go over when I get out of work. Ad matchups. Yep. Don't forget. Winner, chicken dinner deals right here. I'll see you again next time. Blessings.